What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. Let's shout out all my alpha males, alpha females, alpha generals, and generalettes. You heard? Now what I got here for y'all today is something, you know what I mean, a little different. Nothing crazy, but we got a fellow YouTuber who goes by the name of Will Young. YouTube channel called Drip Talk 23, and initially that's exactly what the company is called, Drip Talk Jewelry. So you know what I'm saying? I'm a little hype about this because I've been following this guy for quite a while, and he already has his own affordable jewelry company. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? He's within arm's reach. The company is black owned. His name is Will Young. So let's see what he got for us and what he presented for us today. Now let's get right to it. Drip Talk Jewelry. Now, the box it came in was a regular box as far as, you know, the delivery package of it all. So you already know. I already previously take it out the big box it comes in, but the tissue paper it came wrapped in, you know what I mean? I kept everything else. So, Drip Talk Jewelry, let's see what they about. Let's get right to it. Now, like I said, as far as the owner is concerned, you know what I'm saying? He's a fellow YouTuber. If y'all want to follow him, he's Drip Talk 23. And if y'all want to go to his Instagram, you know what I mean? Drip Talk Jewelry. I'm kind of hyped for this just because, you know, I've been following for some time, for maybe over a year or just about a year. And for this gentleman to, you know what I mean, have his own company so quick, or maybe he's been working on it for quite a while, you know what I mean? I'm a major supporter. Okay, let's get right to it. See what he has here for us, and this is an honest review. This is like, I have yet to open this up. You know what I mean? Nice cover. You know what I mean? Something different. Drip Talk. Look at the box. Quality box. Which is also different than a lot of different other companies. Oh, this is a nice touch. DripTalkJewelry.com. Comes with a nice wristband. Nice little touch, something different, you know what I mean, to stand out from the other competition. I could respect it. Let's put that to the side 2 seconds. Nice little, you know what I mean, suede pouch to hold the piece. I could respect that. He's finding his way to be, you know what I mean, stand out from the competition. Now, like I said, he's a fellow YouTuber who now has his own affordable jewelry company. Now, this is the chain right here. Comes in a nice snake skin plastic wrapping. Alright, so y'all already know what's going to happen with this plastic, right? Stevie D don't do plastic. So we'll be right back once we get out of this plastic. But before we get it out of this plastic, let's just take a look at this piece right here. This thing is gleaming. Yeah. Alright, so I'll be right back. And let's handle this plastic. Okay, so now we back. Yeah, it was a minute to get that plastic off. But you can't even be mad, because essentially it's for the protection of the piece itself. But you already know how I feel about plastic. So let's get right to it. You feel me? This is the piece. As you can see, it's white gold plating with quality CZ stones. You know what I mean? Look at that thing. That's a beauty. Can't even lie. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not even going to lie to you guys. This thing is kind of heavy, you heard? I already know what y'all want to know. So let's get right to it. How much is that thing, Stevie D? Now, this is the thing that y'all gonna like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's because he's a new company, but I know this is gonna be one of the bigger things that launch him and catapult him ahead, or at least start him off on a good footing. So, this piece right here, regular price is $175. You heard? $175. For those of you that aren't familiar with how, you know what I'm saying, how much these chains usually cost, every other, you know, company usually costs $200 or better, $200, $300, $400 for a 19 millimeter Cuban prong set CZ stones. You know what I'm saying? Wait, but it gets better. With every purchase you make from Drip Talk, he gives you 15% off using Drip Soldier 15. I will have the coupon code. I guess that's what it'll be called, right? Discount code, coupon code in the description. Not only that, it gets even more better, guys. You know what I'm saying? With 15% off, he also uses the Sezzle app, in which way you can break your payments up into 4 payments. You heard? 4 payments. So this is white gold, CZ stones, prong set plating, $175, which already sets you off at a good footing because it's cheaper than the competition. You heard. Okay. Matter of fact, I didn't even get to the good part. Let's put this down 2 seconds. Matter of fact, we're not even going to put this down. We're going to keep this thing shining. Now, I didn't even get to the good part. In all the sizes he has, in 18 inches, 20 inches, or 22, guess what? The price does not change. So it doesn't get better than that, guys. It does not get better than that. $175, 15% off, and no matter what length you buy it in, it's the same? Nah, that's unheard of, bro. You know what I mean? Sometimes when they say if it sounds too good to be true, 9 times out of 10 it is. Well, in this case, I don't think so. White gold plating, essentially a heavy piece, $175 with 15% off. Psh, you can't beat that. And only reason why I'm hyped is because you got to understand, guys. You know what I mean? You got to understand that with all these other companies we constantly buy from, we don't question or ask the owner anything. We don't care. We just buy it. We put our money towards these other companies. This company right here is a fellow YouTuber who works hard. You know what I'm saying? I don't know him personally, but when you talk to him, he talks back. He shows love to other YouTubers, and, you know, he supports. You know what I mean? So, and he's within arm's reach. So if you got any compliments or complaints, you could talk to him directly. Now, how many times or how many, you know what I'm saying, how many opportunities do we got to talk to the owners or the CEOs directly? You feel me? Support this man. For anybody, you know what I'm saying, if you can't afford any of those other companies, his stuff is very affordable. And what I will say is, what he also has that a lot of companies don't have is moissanite diamonds, moissanite earrings, and they're not a bad price at all. Dropping them at $100. You heard? At $100. And due to what I know about jewelry, that is very affordable. Drip Talk jewelry. You know what I'm saying? You can talk to the owner, and he definitely talks back. Like I said, no matter what length you buy it in, 18, 20, or 22, it's essentially the same price. You know what I mean? And you can use the Sezzle app with Drip Soldier 15 that I will have in the description. You know what I mean? Here goes the clasp. There goes the hook. There goes the hook. Lock it in right into place. You know what I mean? Hold on. Into place like that. And there you go. Ain't nobody taking that off your neck. Ain't nobody taking that off your neck. And just to make matters even better, if you go to his Instagram or you go to his site, he has a beautiful young woman, you know what I'm saying, modeling his jewelry. So essentially, depending on what length you buy it in, his stuff is for women and men. And that's just, you know what I'm saying, I'm just throwing that in there myself. You know what I mean? So for those of you, you know what I mean, who like a little drip, go to Drip Talk, you feel me? Drip Talk jewelry. I'm feeling this, man. You know what I mean? Once again, let's go over it. $175 at 18 inches, 20 inches, and 22 inches. Essentially, no matter what size or length you buy it in, 19 millimeters, it's the same price at $175. That is tremendously lower than the competition. You know what I mean? So, go check him out. And like I said, if you talk to him, he talks back, he shows love, and he shows support. Alright, tell me what y'all think of this piece. Not sure if I'm going to give this piece away or not. Still thinking about it. I'm going to rock it for a little while. It's heavy. Good quality stones, it appears to be. You know what I mean? Tell me what y'all think. Put that down 2 seconds. Drip Talk. Go check them out. I'm out.